5K. Welcome to in our family. In today's lecture, we are solving out the question related to the differential equation. The question says that d4y upon dx4 minus 4 d square y upon dx square plus 4y is equal to 0. Then at first put the d by dx is equal to capital D. Then find out the auxiliary equation by putting capital D is equal to m and solving out the auxiliary equation and find out the value. Solution. Solution. Given equation can be written as putting the d by dx is equal to capital D. Then we get d by dx is equal to capital D. Then we get d by dx is equal to capital D, so it's become d the power 4 because y is take out as a common, d the power 4 minus 4d square minus 4d square plus 4 y is common is equal to RHS is 0 is equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is given by now in the short form auxiliary equation is write down AE. Now AE is given by for finding out the auxiliary equation we put capital D is equal to m, then we get m the power 4 minus 4m square plus 4 is equal to 0. It may be write down as m की power 2 and its whole square m the power 4 by the exponents minus 2 into m square plus 2 the square is equal to 0 may be write down. Now we know that the identity says that a square minus 2ab plus b square, then we can write down a minus b का whole square. This may be written as m square minus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. When we put is equal to 0 two times, it gives the values of m square. M square is equal to 2 and m square is equal to 2. From here we get the two values of m, and this is m is equal to plus minus under root 2. M is equal to plus minus under root 2 and plus minus under root 2. Now we know that solution is given by here GS, general solution is given by here general solution is, we know that when two roots are equal a, then the solution is given by y is equal to c1 plus c2x into में e the power ax. Now here two pairs are equal, then we can write down y is equal to c1 plus c2x c1 plus c2x e the power root 2x again plus c3 plus c4x and e the power minus root 2x minus root 2x. This is our solution. I think you understand. Y is equal to c1 plus c2x e the power root 2x or c3 plus c4x e the power minus root 2x. This is our solution. At first put the equation d by dx is equal to capital D, then find out the auxiliary equation and solve out further. It's our solution. Now we finish our lecture. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.